You are looking for the correct way to fill ceramic floor tile joints in a bedroom and achieve a clean, professional finish. This video will guide you through every step from start to finish in a simple and practical way. In this detailed tutorial, you will learn how to prepare the tiled floor before applying grout, how to clean the surface properly, and how to make sure the joints are ready for filling so you can achieve strong and durable results that last for a long time without cracks or empty spaces. This step-by-step tutorial explains the proper method for mixing tile grout to the perfect consistency, making it easier to spread smoothly between ceramic tiles and completely fill every joint evenly. You will also discover the essential tools used during the grouting process, including rubber grout floats, sponges, cleaning tools, and finishing techniques that help create a smooth and bedroom floor. The video focuses on practical techniques used by professional tile installers to ensure straight grout lines and a clean final appearance. You will learn how to apply grout correctly into the tile gaps without leaving air pockets or uneven areas that can weaken the joints over time. In addition, the tutorial demonstrates how to remove excess grout from the tile surface carefully without scratching the ceramic or leaving behind haze marks that reduce the shine and beauty of the floor. Bedroom floors require a neat and elegant finish because they are an important part of the room's overall appearance and comfort. That is why this tutorial pays special attention to detail, showing how to create smooth and uniform grout joints that improve both durability and aesthetics. Whether you are renovating your home, working on a DIY tile project, or learning professional ceramic tile installation skills, this video provides valuable tips and real-on-site techniques that can help you improve your work quality. Throughout the tutorial, you will also learn about common mistakes many beginners make while filling tile joints and how to avoid them completely. Incorrect grout mixing, poor cleaning methods, and uneven application can all affect the final result. So this video explains how professionals achieve a perfect finish while saving time and effort. You will also discover the best timing for cleaning grout lines after application to prevent cracks or weak spots during drying. Another important part of this tutorial is understanding how to choose the right grout color for bedroom ceramic floor tiles. Matching grout colors properly can completely transform the appearance of a room and make the tile installation look more modern and luxurious. The video also discusses different grout types and explains when each one should be used depending on tile spacing and floor conditions. This video is ideal for beginners, construction workers, tile installers, and anyone interested in home improvement and interior finishing projects. Every step is shown clearly during real work on an actual bedroom floor, allowing viewers to understand the process in a realistic and easy-to-follow way. From surface preparation to final cleaning and finishing touches, the tutorial covers everything needed to achieve a professional ceramic tile grout installation. You will also learn useful maintenance tips to keep tile joints clean and beautiful for a long time while preventing dirt buildup and moisture problems inside the grout lines. These practical techniques can help extend the lifespan of the flooring and maintain the fresh appearance of the bedroom floor over time. If you enjoy construction content, ceramic tile installation tutorials, home renovation projects, and professional finishing techniques, make sure to watch the full video until the end. This detailed guide is packed with useful information, practical advice, and professional methods that can help you master the process of filling ceramic floor tile joints like a true expert.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this distortion, and everything is grown up past the routine. Don't know if I can find my way out. In this everything is gone up fall into the ocean. Reaching out, I'm reaching. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. Reaching out, I'm reaching. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. It's coming.